Yes, so like I tell you, I say if you don't know Goffe State for Port Harcourt, see Goffe State, you see that building, see those fine buildings. Now Goffe State with that, and this land they don't fence them already. See as the land they shine. The gates are directly opposite Goffe State, or if you call and say beside Goffe State, and the land are 30 million naira, or you get the one he give you, squeeze and give you 25 million. You dey hear me so? And the land that don't fence them, you don't see them. See them my bros where they work. Ah, una well done, no. How they work, they go. Well done. You see them. They don't pay them money. They don't dey fence them. You see this particular plot, they don't buy them. Yes, they don't buy them. We have some other ones. See them here. You see all these ones. Now you go fit get for them 1 or 2 or 3 inside. But you see this one, they don't buy them. So, what they tell you be say, your money in the bank is never guaranteed. But if you use that money buy land, then you can go to sleep. Do you know why? Papa where born me, house where in they live, where them born me, then build that house, born me inside. As I'm talking to you for over 30 years now, that house is still valid. I remember my mother telling me that they bought that land for just 2,000 naira today. If I tell you how many million that land they go for, you will not believe. Now inside that house, they born me, and after 30 years, they are still renting that house. People are renting it. To tell you that they even just renovated and people still rented it. Over 6 new tenants in that house. For 30-something years. My father is no more again for 22 years now. And that land, when you buy, build house with his wife, where the children will see the enjoy. My parents never pay house rent before, since we them born me till now. You see why it's very important that you invest your money in real estate. You invest your money in buying lands and properties. You don't understand me, ba? Yes. So you see this land. Now here, now where they build already. This place now heart of Port Harcourt. You dey hear of Fauga local government, now Port Harcourt local government be that. It's different from Obiakpo local government. You see Transamadi Day here, companies, company, everything full for here. If you check left to buildings, very beautiful buildings there everywhere. You check right to very beautiful buildings there everywhere. If you can't check this side, don't come and Goffe State, don't carry everything. One of the biggest estates in Port Harcourt River State. So what do they wait for? But to sharply call me 090-3429-6519. Dial that number. Carry that money from bank before bank go tell you say now let 20,000 naira you go feel withdraw. Make you don't say I not tell you. I they tell you now. If you like, get 10 ATM. How much be 10 ATM? Just 200,000. So quickly transfer that money where you put for bank because you feel sleep, wake up, that money go disappear. I know they wish you bad luck. I just they tell you reality. For the Nigeria where we did so now, we don't understand what's in the apple. So quickly. You understand that English? It means say, may you call me now. Yes, I say now. Call me and get this spot. It's 30 million naira. Only. And they wait for you.